Model schools came to me and said that they have these fabulous kits about technology to help with students, and so the STARS program teams up together, and once a month they come out and we do iCamp, which is a phenomenal opportunity for kids to have different experiences using technology.
We help build into the curriculum different activities that the technology can influence. We try to make the learning relevant with the programs that we're bringing into the classroom.
I find it very fun and interesting and engaging, then it's a great way to engage kids. Like I said, the hands-on things are really what's important for our youngest populations, and I liked the component that it was able to incorporate things from the curriculum, the letters, the numbers, the tangrams that they're doing now with the patterning.
My favorite part is that they're faced with different challenges and they have to work through it and solve problems through it and go back to the drawing board and work with a friend to solve these problems to make something work